So, Apostle, I want to understand here. So, you mean that Mungiki was a big thing? It became a big thing.
It became
that even politicians were inside.
No, you could not thrive. You could not do any politics in Central Kenya without being a member of Mungiki. It was no, because any constituency you go, we have like 5,000 members of Mungiki, and these are the same people that you need to vote for you. So you must become one. And that is how we contained, we made sure that we are controlling and we are influencing anything because we needed their resources. We didn't have resources. We needed their resources. So we arrested them and we locked them in one house. I remember we locked them.
So you became like police
We were a militia. We were a militia with everything. We had guns, we had everything. We were controlling.
Where were you getting those guns?
Guns, they were available. Even today, if you want one, I can get you one. But then they were locally available because from Isli, we had so many guns those days. Now security operations have been tightened and everything is like okay. Now we don't have those many guns that you used to have. But those days to have a gun was you needed only 10,000. You go hire a gun, and once you hire one gun can give you 20 guns because when you have one gun, you can get money to buy more, or you can even go get somebody. No, the issue of a gun is that the gun that comes out first rules. Whether you have a big gun or a small gun, if I come with if even I come with a toy and you don't know it's a toy, I place it here and you are carrying an AK-47, you'll drop it.
You surrender.
You surrender.